car, Audi SQ5 2017, in for a major correction detail and extras. So I'm just going to quickly buzz you around the car. Now if you'd have seen this on my Instagram story, you'd have seen how clean the car looked outside, but on closer inspection we have defects. So I'm not going to go right round the car in terms of showing you each individual panel. Just try to trust me that this car has got defects. If I can try and, if you don't look to the light and look at the bottom or look to the sides, to the top, you can start to see the defects. So this is pretty prominent right through the car. There we go on the tailgate. Nothing overly bad, it's just in poor condition from the previous owners. My customer, this is a new car, hence he's getting all this work done. Just pop these other lights on. There we go. So you can see there's not much gloss to the paintwork, there's not much clarity to the paintwork, all because of these defects. Now, alloy wheels are all getting refurbished. Now, to anybody else, these look relatively okay, but they're not. On here, we have a mark defect up there, and we have corrosion problems down here. It's even worse on this one. If we come down, we have issues here. So all four wheels is getting refurbished because they need to be right. The interior is getting a full detail protection. As I say, wheels off, wheels refurbished, engine bay. If you had seen my story on this one, I know if you're watching this on my website, you'll have not seen it, but there was a scuff to the bottom of that trim. So there was a scuff down there. So just painted that edge, and that will be all polished up along with the rest of the car, all be corrected, and to top it all off, it'll all be ceramic coated with Nanolex Si3D. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, and the next video you will see is the after video.